Hi there, you two. Thanks very much. Some big contrast coming up in the next 24 hours. It'll feel like high summer for some of us, but others, it'll feel like autumn has come early. So for tonight, though, we've got quite a lot of mild weather, but rather windy weather across the north and west of the UK, especially. It's all thanks to this area of low pressure which is coming in. The isobars tightening all the while, increasing that wind. And we'll also see the rain just spreading in through Northern Ireland and western Scotland as we go through the night. So for tomorrow then, here's the setup. The further towards the north and west you are, the more likely you are to see those wet and windy conditions, but towards the south and east, it's going to be a case of warm and sunny. Let's start with the rain though first of all, and the strong winds. They're from the word go across Northern Ireland and indeed much of Scotland, but always the strongest winds and the heaviest of the rain towards the west there. Many northeastern parts could escape with some drier conditions here. As we head down across England, well, there'll be some rain from the northwest, but otherwise it looks like being a largely dry start to the day. Quite a lot of cloud around though, you'll notice, apart from perhaps the far southeast. Kent should see the sunshine first thing, and that sunshine will spread its way gradually north and westwards later in the day. But a fair bit of cloud, I think, first thing across much of southwest England. Maybe the odd spot of drizzle turning up later across the moors, and the same story, I think, across Wales. Could be a little bit of dampness around, but you won't see the rain until later on in the day. So as the day goes on then, we'll continue to see that rain just piling in across the north and the west there. Could add up to about 20 millimetres or so in places, and then slipping slowly southeastwards. Meanwhile, across a good part of England, it'll turn out quite sunny, I think. The cloud just gradually being eroded away by that sunshine, so turning out quite nice. But across the north and the west there, we've got the very strong winds. Could see gusts of up to 70 or 80 miles per hour later in the afternoon for the western side of Scotland. Temperatures, nothing special, 17 or 18 degrees here. But where we've got the sunshine, we could see as high as 26 or 27. That's 81 Fahrenheit, so well above average for the time of year. Through the evening, we'll continue to see that band of clouds sinking southeastwards, but the rain largely fizzling out as it heads towards the southeastern corner, and then eventually clearing away altogether during Wednesday. Meanwhile, on Wednesday, we'll see that area of high pressure just building in across the UK. And once that arrives, it's going to be with us for quite some time. So we are looking at a fairly settled period of weather coming up. So for Wednesday itself then, still a bit of cloud to clear away from the southeast, and maybe the odd shower for the northwest. Otherwise, a fine and dry day with long spells of sunshine and temperatures up to the low 20s. And Thursday and Friday looking at similarly good across the UK. Some fine weather with some sunshine, temperatures up to around about 20 or 21 degrees. More details to be found, as always, on our website. Bye-bye.